everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Let me bring you a simple cookie recipe this monsoon season to go perfectly with your cup of tea. Today we're going to make Scottish shortbread, which is actually a classic butter cookie from Scotland. So let's get into it. I'll start by adding softened butter. Now into this I'll add in caster sugar. Next goes in all-purpose flour. Rice flour, a pinch of salt, and I'll mix it. Next goes in vanilla. This is optional because it doesn't go in the traditional recipe. At this point, you can also mix it with your hands. Next, I'll add in about a teaspoon water. And I'll bring everything together. Now that the dough is together, I'll take it out on a parchment paper for the ease of cutting and rolling. While shaping it into a rectangle, I'll roll it into the desired thickness. As you can see, it is really crumbly on the sides. I'll together it using the parchment paper itself. Now I'll cut it using a knife. Now I'll make holes with a fork. Now I'll put it in the freezer for 20 minutes to let it firm. My cookies are all firm and set. I'll very gently transfer them to a baking tray. Now I'll pop it in the oven at 130 degrees for 40 minutes. Hear that? It is done! Wow, I love the fragrance! Now I have to wait for it to cool before I can eat it. give it a try. This is flaky and buttery, perfect to go with tea. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.